Check out this Dodge 2015 Challenger RT. If you are looking for a first-rate auto, this one could be yours today. Some of the top features included with this vehicle are Quick Order Package 22 DRT Plus, 6 speakers, AM/FM radio, GPS antenna input, Harman radio manufacturer, integrated voice command with Bluetooth, media hub, SD, USB and O. If you are looking for a solid pre-owned car, this might be the one. Low mileage is an important factor in your purchase, and this vehicle delivers a low odometer reading. Don't let this vehicle get away. Call or click to schedule a test drive today.